Where's the Gaza Nation? The Megan Remix Challenge on a lie. You all of it tight for be wife, girl. You all of it tight for be wife, girl. Baby. You coulda can cook and clean and wash. You all of it tight for be wife, girl. You all of it tight for be wife, girl. Baby, underneath in a muddy like Chuck Fender. She stand up firm, yeah, skyscraper. Breast ever stiff and no design doctor. Pussy na bagga like helicopter. Runway E cliff, girl, Imanyama. If him still a fuck with you, tell him go suck him mama. 10-star in a your saga and a Jackie Lester. Me a bust in a your belly like war tanker. Me say watch a hunger me a answer. Scream out my name, girl, wave me banner. Who is that 10-star Jenna? Blaze up my chalice and drink the water. Girl I say she bad and me want to prove that. Me want lap scoochie, me want all bruise cock. Anyway she cock it up, me want to do that. She ask me if me love it and me say yeah, it's true that. Girl I say she bad and me want to prove that. Me want lap scoochie, me want all bruise cock. Anyway she cock it up, me want to do that. She ask me if me love it and me say yeah, it's true that. Yeah. What? Well, it's not a plan. Franchise the chosen one. The 10-star general. You know what go already? Anytime I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion boy. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. What you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now in a Gaza nation. Oh, no love the mix with shortboss put out. Yeah, man. Classic, man. I like it. You know what I mean? The whole of the artists, them spit on it. I love it. You know what I mean? One thing I say, I was Slim Matic there. I shall go join it lately. I wouldn't believe the six them should have dep on it too. Because the juggling nice in my virgin. You see what I deal with? To the way the juggling nice, I want more. You know what I mean? I get greedy. I don't joke thing. For real, man. The thing I did I listen the whole day, man. You see what I deal with? I'll be another for a brother, man. And I tell you, I just hear loud explosion outside. A be nice and be on and be excitement. When I fly up on my bed and peep through the window, my sister well then, I Biden the man them say, take the election, you know what I mean? So it was like a real excitement, you know what I mean? An excited moment for the people them. I don't know me as a youth still. Now if I remember, you know, so I'm original ghetto youth, you know, so he's a man really too. I mean like them thing there essential in the country was we not to run into politics. You see what I say? This world was built on politics, you see? Lollipop thing. And you don't know how the system run the thing. You see what I deal with, so. Although it is a must, it's not a big story for me, you see? Yeah, man. A life I deal with. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I got my respect, you know what I mean? No gimmicks business. So Gaza Nation, when I see say, well then right about now, we there wait to hear the big news about the nominate at the Grammy. You know what I mean? You don't know what expect the world boss to nominate, you know that you know no gimmicks no day and night and no joking about it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. A real way we represent, we not represent no look a funny way. See that, my brother? Good. You know a step on it, Gaza Nation, because you know I'm deal with it, you know. come slap away 8 hours, you know. And no gimmicks business, you know. You know what I mean? You know, we not laugh with it, you know. And we not take talk, you know. Me tell you something, when you are somebody when not take talk, you have to always have your own look at thing them. You see what I deal with? You can't not take talk. And not have nothing, my brother. And no gimmicks business. You see what I deal with? Yeah. But when I have my look at thing them, I not take no talk. You see me? Because I don't have to take no talk with that. Whereas if you are somebody who can satisfy with what you have. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And I know gimmicks business. You know, a Gaza way we represent, you know, they ain't no other way, you know. And a lollipop thing, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So, big respect to shortboss for the juggling. I love it. You know what I mean? I love it. Right now, I never gonna lie to you know. Look at vibes and look at Addy. Yo, the man them tough, you know, Gaza Nation. I don't know what, if you not listen properly, you not listen to you, them know. Yeah, you them tough, you know. Them tough, you know, them own way too, you know, my brother. And a joke thing, you know. You them spit some bumbo rascal lyrics right now. Yo, I'm proud of the youth them there. Yeah, I'm proud of the youth them. Proud of World Boss and proud of Shorty. So I say no gimmicks not in my game, Gaza Nation. You don't know how I represent already, man. You know I not deal with the lollipop thing, man. Yo, I don't like all I represent when them look a fool music you are playing and them boy I love walk on the street and go like a idiot. And thing you go in your video, them I tell you about bumbuckler, copyright and all them fucker there, you know. You know, I don't want to listen to them big fucker blood clot waste man music, man. Big blood clot, 500 odd pound overweight. Big bumbuckler waste man. Sure. Yeah, man, Gaza Nation. Like, itch up into the hear them look up full blood clot music, them, man. Hey, download the video, them I tell you about bumbuckler copyright. You see what I say? Every day upon the street in pass, so he must have him thing loud and I go on. Him can't keep it in his ears. If they think personal dog, nobody no want to hear bumbuckler crap, man. See a bigger thing are going right here, so batty boy, I want to you. Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Man just throw me off, dog. That we don't like badness and them shit there, no, dog. We all in another place in the jungle. Man, tell you lock off that, no, virgin. I have to lock off that, man. No joke thing, man. Why not no discipline, man? I walk with your big tape on the blood clot feet. Put your iPod in your bumbo clot ears or your Bluetooth or something, and everybody want to hear that. You see what I say? You know what I mean? First you know a girl, because you weigh like 500 pounds. A long time you don't see a dick, you know what I mean? A long time you don't see a blood clot dick. A piss all over the blood clot place, your big belly block it off. And you don't see that for go work on, but you want to walk on a blood clot, bomb up the blood clot place with load bullshit. Yeah, man, some work sometimes, man. It's not easy, you know. High grade, me smoke, me not burn beat it. You know what I mean? A lollipop thing. I'm not dealing with gimmicks business, you know what I'm saying? I can really carry on if I want to, you know what I mean? Joking. Yeah, man. I can adjust to any situation, but not everybody can adjust to my situation. You know them way the Gaza Nation? Yeah, man, outside, me up on the 2-0, I go first up a Malbo first and I sip on my coffee before I roll in, go clock in. You see what I mean? Yeah, Gaza Nation, I need you to talk to me in the comment section, you know. If you don't like the remix, you know, and tell me how, you know, how much, you know, improve the local youth them improve, you know. Tell me how far when I see the youth them are going, you know. Because they don't know for me already, you know. Them youth they are dancehall royalty. You see what I say? Of them caliber, that's how me have them, you know what I mean? Wanna say Gaza Nation, wanna wrong me or am I right? You them not dance all royalty, and right now them a live up to expectation. And right now me never know say them would blossom so soon. Right now them ripe, them ready. No gimmicks not in it. We not lie about it, Gaza Nation. The man them tough. Man them have all some flow changing virgin like a some 6-speed forward in a some rascal convertible beamer, man. So the youth them a roll, man. Youth them different, man. Different from any other. So the youth them where you see a come up and a go on, man. And the wickedest thing, the youth them humble with it too, man. You see what I deal with? I just music the youth them a deal with, my brethren. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. More respect to Shortboss, man. Enough respect for guys Kartel, Set Speed. You see what I deal with? And all of the youth, them family, them around them, you know, we make certain say them grow up in the right and proper manner, you know what I mean? Right now it's a great look for Gaza Nation, you know what I mean? That means the banner can't stop wave, you see what I say? Yeah, man, because when them think them dead, they not talk about, you know, busy, you know, talk about take over, you know. Them not look, you know, for where I come, you know. Them busy at talk about take over, enough man at talk. But well then yeah, Vybz Kartel lock up in a prison, so them not recruit no new artists and them thing then. No. You not look on the look of phenomenal them where I come. You know, you never look at this one I forgot pass, you know. You not forgot pass them youth, you know. I'll try remember say them youth are younger than the whole of one, you know. So all of them look young fans there, them youth there one, you know. Plus we done lay, you know, in the foundation already, you know. So me not have to tell you know, what go on, you know. You know a loud explosion, you know. When them youth they start, when them youth they build for them foundation, you know, and start drop necessary equipment, you know. What wrong with you, no, man? A big international classic thing when I go see, man. You see what I say? No joke thing not about it, Gaza Nation. You know what I mean? We don't laugh with it neither. You see what I say? Yeah. Can't too hang late out here now. And now watch the time. You see what I say? Right now, I can't even stop for do my temp. For take no temperature. I do that when I change my clothes. Yeah, man, straight pass. Now I go man for clock in 11, man, almost 11, you know. And I never see it no Gaza Nation. Because I sound the big thing, them, you know. How you doing, man? Good. Alright. Yeah, Gaza Nation. And I'm a joke thing. And I like, I can't a minute or 2 minutes late, but me as a man, I don't have them things upon my record. You see what I say? A joke thing. But here we are, bro. I don't know. Bless up on yourself, you know. And remember, to make me know how much you think you them improve. You hear me? Watch.